Okay, in this question we're given an L shape. We've got the dimensions all in terms of x, and we know the area, and we need to show that the area is equal to this quadratic expression here. The first thing to do is to drop a perpendicular here, and we can divide the shape therefore into area 1 and area 2 and calculate them separately. Area 1 is equal to the width times the height, so this is 3x minus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 5. And area 2, I've left a bit of a gap so that I can expand that bracket in a moment. And area 2, well, the width is 2 and the height is 3x minus 2. So this is 3x minus 2. Let's go back up to area 1. We have to multiply this pair of brackets out in the usual way. And we get 6x squared. Underneath, we've got negative 4x and positive 15x. And the other eyebrow, the answer is going to be negative 2 times 5, 10, negative 10. Area 2, multiplying this bracket out, a little bit easier. We've got 6x minus 4. Now we need to add all these terms up. So area 1 plus 2 is therefore equal to, we've only got one x squared term, so this is 6x squared. Counting up the x's, these two combined gives positive 11x. Add another 6x to it, this is positive 17x. Now the numbers negative 10 and another negative 4 is negative 14, and this is equal to 25. The question's told us that it's 25. Well, as you can see, we're approaching the answer quite well. We need to push the 25 back to this side to create a 0 on the right-hand side, and we get 6x squared plus 17x. They haven't changed. Negative 14 and another negative 25 makes negative 39, and this equals 0. And as you can see, we've proved what the question wanted of us.